Hey there, this is Sam from AI Power Kits, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Lovable for unlimited. You can create any project like your web application, landing page, website, whatever you actually want to create via Lovable. Okay, so here you can see in my screen, I have a building a complete SaaS application by using Lovable, and here this is completely free account. You can see my account has only 5 credit. You can see here only 5 credits, and if you can see, I have sent a lot of different prompt. You can see a lot of different prompt to make this application. Okay, so if I go to the backend of the application, then you can see this is a complete application that actually working fine. Okay, all the features and everything working, and I built this completely free by using the Lovable Power Kits extension. Okay, this extension is actually really good because when you send prompt through this extension, it will not spend any single credit from your Lovable account. Even with a free account, you can build a complete web application like this. Okay, so it's really easy to use. You just need to send prompt from this prompt box instead of the native Lovable prompt. Okay, and you can send unlimited prompt without spending any credit. Okay, this is the beauty of this Power Kits extension. Okay, so if you want to get this extension, then just join our Discord channel. You will get the link into the description of this video, and you will get the license and all the information you need. You can download the extension into our Discord channel. Okay, all you just need to join the Discord channel and you will get all the information. And if you have any question, any suggestion or anything, then you can also ask into our Discord channel. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.